Hey friends, if you wish to fix WDF violation error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So before moving further, I wish to set your expectations right. It may be that you will not be able to fix this issue and the final solution will be to simply reset the computer. But still, we will try our best. Update drivers and Windows. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and select Advanced Options. Go to Optional Updates and install all the optional updates available. If this doesn't help, then return to the Windows Update page and click on Check for Updates to make sure that you are at the latest version of Windows. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next solution is to perform a system restore on your computer. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Click on next. Choose a good restore point. Click on next, click on finish, and then finally on yes to initiate the system restore process. And if this doesn't help either, then the last solution is obviously to reset your computer. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side and in the right pane scroll down and click on troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and then go to system and then scroll down and select recovery. And then click on reset PC, remove everything, and finally select cloud download and click on next to initiate the cloud download process. This will definitely fix your problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.